up, y'all? I feel like I'm always starting the vlogs in the kitchen, but I mean, we in the kitchen, and I'm making something to eat. I'm making dinner, and this is what I do to show you. Show me your child is picky without telling me your child is picky. Now, we don't have chicken wings like 2 days in a row because I just love chicken wings, but today I decided to make him some hamburgers and fries because he can eat the same thing over and over, but not like me. Like, I can eat the same thing over and over and over again. So, I'm making hamburgers and fries and chicken wings and fries. And I got YouTube playing in the back. My fam, she's one of my favorite vloggers on here. So I'm watching her. I'm feeling like a boss ass bitch because when my baby daddy was here, he mounted my TV. So I'm feeling real sophisticated. With my little kitchen TV finally on my wall and not sitting on my table. All in the way. Ooh, this is gonna be so big. Today is, what's today? Today is Friday. Damn, I really forgot. Today is Friday. Tomorrow I gotta go pick up my mama. My mama's coming to visit me. I think I told y'all that in the last vlog. If you have not watched the last vlog, pause this and go watch that last vlog. I'm gonna have a link somewhere, either in the video or on the description box. Check that out. Nail check. New nails. What do y'all think about them? If y'all like them, let me know in the comments. And I wanted to talk to y'all about something that I'm trying. I made a spam account. So spam account basically is, it's going to be an account on Instagram where we can talk, interact, keep in touch, but I'm not on here vlogging because y'all know I'm a piece of shit when it comes to vlogging consistently. So on there, you'll see me just go through my daily life. It's like, you know, private stories, like we always vlogging together. So if you are subscribed to this channel, I'm going to link the Instagram right here. Please, please, please go follow. We can get on there, talk, just talk shit, shoot the shit, see what I'm doing every day, see how my daily life. I did post a picture of my nails. So if you are from this channel, go add that page and like my picture. Fun fact, I eat ketchup with damn near everything. I'm talking about any type of meat, pizza, all that shit. But, what? Wing plate who? I'm not going to buy shit. And I always eat bread when I eat any type of meat, like pork chop, chicken, ground beef, spaghetti, white bread on the side. Get with it. What's up, y'all? It is Sunday evening, and I am currently finna wash clothes because tomorrow is Anthony's first day in 6th grade. I just cleaned his shoes. I went old school 90s baby with the toothbrush. If you know, you know. And we are preparing for 6th grade first day of school. I went to go pick my mama up today. I told y'all that Mama XO was coming down here. It was like something really weird with the bus, so she didn't get here till later, but we ended up getting there. We just been kicking it, having a really good time. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging a lot. I'm gonna try to do a little bit. We're supposed to be like having some outings, so I'll see how she feel about it. But yeah, my son's gonna be in 6th grade tomorrow. It's really weird. Is anybody else feel weird? Like, it's weird, but that's what I'm doing. Sunday, big Sunday, chilling. I didn't cook. I cleaned up a little bit because, like I said, my mom came, so I tried to do a little bit cleaning, but I didn't get to do a lot because I had to do Anthony's hair last night. That was crazy. I haven't done Anthony hair in like over 6 months. It's been done, but I personally haven't done it. His dad did it when he had him, so when I tell you I woke up, my back was hurting, my hands were hurting, my legs were hurting, like I was sore, like I did like a real workout. It was really intense. But yeah, so that's what I did today. If y'all want to know like what's going on during the week, if I'm not vlogging, be sure to follow the spam account. I'll be putting stuff on my story and posting and whatnot. But I'm just gonna chill out. I plan on eating. I'm gonna curl up to this right here. Ah, it's gonna be good as fuck. So I'm gonna eat this with some ice cream after I finish my motherly duties. And then I'm gonna check in with y'all tomorrow. Okay, I'm at Walmart. And I'm doing some shopping with my mama. And hear me out, because I really think these shoes are cute. I think these is cute. Like, I don't know, but I think they're cute. Yeah. I haven't shaved either, but I think these are really cute. This is Anthony. Hi. I think these will be a cute fall winter shoe with like bell bottoms, jeans. I got like some leather leggings. I think this will be cute with, or like a little black dress or something. I know it sounds crazy, but I'm picturing it in my head, and I just think they're really cute. I don't know. To be continued. Okay, so today is Tuesday, August 9th. Right now, I'm gonna make some shrimp Alfredo with bacon and spinach and sun-dried tomatoes. And I just got home. Today, me and Mama XO, we went to the nail shop. She went to get her nails and her feet done. We went to Goodwill, so I will have a haul in this video. We went to Crumble and we went to Kohl's. Let me show y'all what I got from Crumble. I've never been to Crumble before. We just recently got one in my city. So this is fudge, brownie, walnut, cotton candy, and lemonade. And then Anthony got a chocolate chip cookie. When we got home, he immediately took his cookie and he's eating it. So, but I'll insert a picture. I also posted a picture on my Instagram. So, period the book. Can we just take a time to appreciate that I don't have a bonnet on in this video? A bonnet, a scarf, a hat, a beanie. Like I got my hair done finally. Thanks to Mom XO. But yeah, so it's raining. It was actually a pretty cool day, but it started raining. So now that it's raining, we back in the house. I'm finna cook dinner. I haven't ate all day. I had a Starbucks. We went to Starbucks too. I had a Starbucks white mocha, cold white mocha, and that's it. That's all I have in my stomach right now. I'm dying. I'm gonna make this Alfredo, and I'm gonna do the haul later, and I'll get back to y'all. Also, I was gonna ask y'all if y'all feel like I should sell nose cuffs on Fetch Fetch. What do we think? Yes, no, maybe, so, cute, no. Let me know in the comments down below. I almost forgot. Lashes, accessory, shirt, Fetch Fetch on IG.
Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. You would swear I had a killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Listen long enough, you can love me, love me, love me. I'll be
can hold me. Even let you undress my mind. Say goodbye and watch it and press rewind. I can give you what you need. I can give you what you need.
Remember these when I did a review on my channel about the Wet n Wild brushes? This is like 2000s, like OG, triple OG. Remember this video. And these was good brushes too. I still use this one for my brows every day. Dinner time, well, lunchtime at, where we at, Baba?
Oh, we were at Rafferty's.
Rafferty. Back at Walmart.
Yeah, we're
To do-
back in Walmart.
To do more school shopping for Baba because we didn't get to get it a lot.
Yeah.
And, where was we at? Target. Didn't have shit. Where else was we at? Ross. Didn't have shit.
Yep.
It's just they didn't have shit. They done bought everything up here.
Yeah.
So we
this
at
time,
Walmart.
We're here at Walmart to shop everything.
To shop. And it looked promising because I see some clearance and everything.
Yeah.
So we gonna check back in with y'all.
Yes.
Ooh, peach. Gas is $3.14, ho. I'm here for it. Comment in the comments how much is y'all gas in y'all city. Ooh, praise him. I can try. It's time for a motherfucking haul, ho. How was that? This is a terrible setting, but this is what it is. Let me see if I can leave. Oh, this is terrible. Oh my god, y'all. I gotta work on my camera settings because I don't know why it's so light or dark. I don't know. But this is what we're working with. So, we're gonna start off with good. Let me see. Target. I only got one thing from Target. Mighty Patches. I have them on right now. Let me tell you something about these, bitch. If you have a pimple of any kind, put this on there and it's gonna bring all the stuff to the top. And when you take it off in the morning, it damn near peel off with the patch, or it'll just be at the top and it'll come out and you're gonna be good to go. Works like a charm. I feel like they kind of expensive, but they work. I tried the Mario Badescu dry lotion patches, and I thought they was finna be the bomb.com because the dry lotion is really fucking good, but the patches, these, let me tell you something, they work. If you need them and you have a pimple, get them. They work. Next, Five Below. Let me tell you something about Five Below, Beach. They getting their shit together. They're stepping up into the world. They got the shit there now. So I got this cute little crop top, because why would I not wear a crop top? I always wear a crop top. So I got this cute little crop top, and it come with shorts. Look at these. You see where I'm getting at? Okay. So I got that from Five Below, 5 a piece. Go get you one. Next, Goodwill. I haven't did a Goodwill haul in so long, and this is getting really nostalgic. I can't believe I ain't been to Goodwill in that long. Well, I haven't done a haul in that long, but it's like we really connected again. But anyway, bitch, I got a corset. Bitch. Beach. Beach. Ah! Y'all, corset is damn near new. It's damn near new. It is damn near new. It's got a little detailing on it. Like, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. $5. And I also ordered a corset extender because the bitch got a big back. And I put the extender in here in the middle. My mama was telling me about it. And it's gonna make it fit. But yes, y'all. This is finna be cute as fuck. Beach. Go get you one. Or go try to get you one. Next. Camo. Now, as plain as simple as this seems, it's hard as fuck to find camo. It's very in. It's very trendy. It goes with everything. And bitches be eating it up. But it's hard to find. Especially in, like, you know, bigger girl sizes. Because I got hips and dips and butts. And it's hard to find camo. Like, real camo. Like, not the stretchable shit, but real camo. So I found these. These are men's shorts. And they fit perfect, honey. Pocket and everything. Yes, honey. $5. But they was 50% off. Yeah, period. Come on now. Stop playing with me. So I got these. And I was thinking about trying to make them into like a Gallery Depot look. I'll like try to put a picture in here, but I might DIY them, I might not. But these would be even cute, to be honest with you, with this. It's a vibe. I don't know if y'all get it. The girls that get it. The girls that don't, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. Next, I got this skirt, which was also 50% off. I know it looked real simple, but it's not. It's super cute. And it got a split beach. And with me being short, it's like a long look. It's like a longer look on me because I'm short. And it's just like that summer vibe, like the bitches who are wearing like the skirts and the crops and the forces. Hold on. I'm finna show you, bitch. Hold on. Okay, so see what I'm talking about? Like if you have like a crop top in this skirt and it's showing like the curves and the hips. You see? It's giving very much thick thighs save lives. Like a purse or something. Do y'all see the vibes? Yeah. So that's what I got from the Goodwill. Period.